I'll buy a house, and I'm moving, and I'll have sex just to have kids, and I'll get a job, work real hard, hang rope flights in the backyard, buy a minivan, drive across the state, buy another